Students, how are you? I hope you are all well, safe and sound, staying at your home. And I know all of you are doing your activities given by your teachers, and I think all of you will do better if you follow your teachers' advice regularly, and you will do better in your exam. Okay, my dear students, I just want to welcome you to online class, and I am Palash Kumar Mondol, assistant teacher, Joshore Jilai School, Joshore. Just I will take you a class from English, first paper English for today for class 6, and the lesson is 16. Okay, my dear students, now look at the picture and think yourself, who are they and what are they doing. Okay, my dear students, here you can see they are old women, they are talking among themselves, they are gossiping on various topics. Actually, they are very helpless, because you know that being old, they can't do their activities properly, and they don't have sufficient strength, so they become sometimes helpless. And we see this scenario in an old man's home. So, my dear students, our today's lesson is an old people's home. Okay? Look, here our today's class learning outcome is read and text, understand text, infer meaning from context, ask and answer questions, write answer to the questions. Okay, dear students, now take your book and just close your books and listen to me attentively. Okay? Look, Mariam is a student of class 6 in a government school in Rajshahi. Her mother works in an office and her father is a businessman. Okay? Mariam is very fond of her aunt, her father's sister, Suraya Begum, who lives in another part of the town. On Fridays, Mariam fond of visiting her aunt's house and spends time with her. Suraya Begum is a retired school teacher, and she lives alone, and she is a widow. Her husband died three years ago. Her daughters are married, and they all live with their families in abroad. Sometimes they talk to Suraya Begum over telephone, and they sometimes visit to Suraya Begum whenever they get time. Now Suraya Begum has a lot of free times. That is why she spends her time by reading books, visiting to the relatives and friends, watching movie. Sometimes she writes letters to her old colleagues. But nowadays she is bored by doing all these activities again and again. That is why she wants to do something more meaningful, that something that would be good for the elder persons. So she is planning to set up an old people's home in her locality, okay, because she knows it well that some elderly persons or people suffer from loneliness. They have no one to help them properly. That is why they need help and support. As to her plan, Suraya Begum takes Mariam and visits various families. She talks to a lot of persons and she tries to find out the problems of that very elderly people. She talks to them and she knows it well that they feel loneliness and they need care and support. Sometimes they become sick, and that is why on Fridays Suraya Begum takes Mariam on his visits. Mariam has already become very popular to the elderly persons because that they love Mariam much, and they talk, and Mariam talks to them about her school, family, friends, studies, and the elderly people also tell Mariam various stories like ghost stories and fairy tales. Okay, my dear students, now look at these pictures and think yourselves. Okay, look here, we can see some elderly people. All this here, the picture shows us the miseries of the elderly people. You know, these people don't have their clothes on to help them. That is why most of the time they suffer from loneliness, and this picture just creates our sympathy. We should have sympathy for this kind of elderly people because they are not our burden in our society. Okay, dear students, just I would like to some questions from you. Are you ready to give answer? Yes, you have to get ready. Can you say who is Mariam? Yes, from the passage we can easily say that Mariam is a student of class 6 in a government school in Rajshahi, and actually Mariam is his aunt's, we may go to another question. What is her father? Can you say? Yes, her father works in a business firm, or her father is a businessman. Who is Suraya Begum? Actually, Suraya Begum is a retired school teacher and also a widow. Can you say what is her plan? Yes, you have learned from the passage. Suraya Begum has a plan. She wants to set up an old people home in her locality. Just I would like to know, why does she become bold? Just as he has a lot of free time, so she just does writing letters to her friends, watching TV, reading books, just doing all these activities, she becomes bored. Okay? Why does she want to make an old people home in her locality? You have to know it. Yes, as this type of job is of course a humanitarian job and a noble job. That is why Suraya Begum wants to make an old people home in her locality, and she knows it well that elderly peoples are very helpless and they feel loneliness. That is why she wants to set up an old people home. Why does the elderly people feel lonely? Because of their old age, they can't do their activities properly. That is why the elderly people feel loneliness. Okay, dear students, now here we have to do another activities. Here read the text carefully and again match the words on the left with the words on the right that have similar meaning. Okay, look: bold, miserable, colleague, widow, support, and here at the right side some sentences are given. Woman whose husband has died and who has not married again. A person one works with in a profession. Look, feeling tired because you don't find interest in something, and help, and very unhappy. Okay, here you can see some words here and some sentences are given in the right side. Then or now you have to match the words given in left side with the right side given here. Look, you know the meaning here well. Now match the answer with you. Okay, look, bored. Look at this. Bored means feeling tired because you don't find interest in something. Okay. Next, miserable, that is very unhappy. When one becomes unhappy because of the lack of her basic needs. Okay, that is colleague, person works with in a profession, colleague. Look, widow, woman whose husband has died and who has not married again. And last, support, that is help. Okay, now you can match this and just we can go to another slide. Look at the following words. Look, retired. Okay, I know all of you know about retired, and look at this, retired. Okay, what can you think about this person? Yes, actually he is a retired person, and you can make a sentence. The old man is a retired school teacher. Okay, and then you have to give the another meaning or old meaning, that is superannuated or having stopped working because of age. Okay, superannuated, that is যাকে বয়সের কারণে পেনশনভুক্ত করা হয়েছে, or having stopped working because of age. Okay, that is superannuated. Look, widow. Look at this. Can you make a sentence with the word widow? Yes, widow, you know, whose husband is died and who has not married again. Okay, Suraya Begum is a widow, or my grandmother is a widow, okay, or her aunt is a widow. You can make so many sentences with the word widow. And look, widow, woman whose husband has died and who has not married again, that is widow. And next, colleague. Look at this, colleague. Can you make a sentence with the word colleague? Yes. Suraya Begum has many colleagues, old colleagues. Okay, look, Suraya Begum writes letters to her old colleagues. Suraya Begum তার সহকর্মীদের কাছে চিঠি লেখে, তার যে বয়স্ক সহকর্মীদের কাছে। Look, what mean partner or fellow worker, person with whom one works. Okay, look at this, establish. Can you make any sentence with the word establish? Yes, Suraya Begum wants to establish an old people's home in her locality. Look, Suraya Begum wants to establish a home for the elderly persons, and here you need to give another words, that is set up or construct, that is we can say to start an organization, that is establish. Okay, and look, miserable. Miserable, look at the picture, that is helpless. Actually we have to make a sentence, the elderly persons often feel miserable. Okay, and look, sorrowful, dejected or extremely unhappy. By seeing the picture we can easily guess that the woman, the old woman are really is really dejected and extremely unhappy. Okay, now lonely. Look at this, lonely. You know that many elderly person feel lonely. Okay, look at this, an elderly person often feels lonely, and here are given some word meaning, that is isolated or alone or lonesome. Okay, and look, support. Support. Okay, look here, an old man is on the bed and a person is probably helping by giving food. Okay, this is called support, help. The elderly person needs support and help. You know that most of the elderly people can't move properly, they because of their age they can't do their activities properly, so they need help and support. Okay, look, that is the another word of support, cooperation, help, that is to help someone by being sympathetic. Okay, just we have to be friendly with that elderly person, because you know that elderly persons are the part of our society. Okay, because of their old age, though they can't go from place to place, they have already lost their energy, that is why they can't do their activities properly. So we should be affectionate, we should be friendly, we should be cooperative to such kind of persons in the society. Okay, look, read the following sentence and if they are true or false. If false, then give the right answer. Okay, Suraya Begum spent most her time taking care of her family. Look, the next one, she wants to set up a school for adults who cannot read and write. There is already an old people's home in the town. Mariam enjoys spending time with her aunt. The old people Mariam visits do not like children presence. Just I know all of you have learned or you know the meaning of the sentence. Suraya Begum spent most her time taking care of her family. Is it true or false? Then you will just learn and just match the answer with you. Okay, look, yes, the first one is false. The correct answer should be Suraya Begum spends most of her time reading books, watching TV, visiting friends and relatives. Okay, the next one, yes, the next one would be Suraya Begum spends most of her time she wants to set up a school for the adults who cannot read and write. Look, yes, this is also false. The correct answer will be she wants to set up a home for the old people who live alone. And the previous one, there is already an old people's home in the town. Is it right? Now match the answer with you. Yes, it's also false. The correct answer will be there is no old people's home in the town. And the Miriam enjoyed spending time with her aunt. Yes, this is also true. And the last one, look at the screen. The old people Miriam visits do not like children's presence. Look, yes, this is also false, because the old people Miriam visits like children's presence very much. Okay. Now, my dear students, I know you have learned this passage well, and now you will be able to ask questions and you will answer to the question, and also you have learned the meaning of the passage. So, I will give you homework. Look, write a paragraph on an old people's home with 10 sentences. Okay? Look, thank you all, dear students.